We are going to solve the question in LeetCode 2601 Prime Subtraction Operation. So the question states that we are given with a zero indexed array nums of length n. Now we need to sort the array in a manner that for every element we need to remove a prime number. That means we need to pick an index I and remove a prime number from it. Let the prime number be p, so that after this operation we get the array as sorted array in an increasing way. So here the problem description is so clear, and then let us move to an example. Nums is equal to 4, 9, 6, 10. Here we need to return true or false. If we can sort the array by removing a prime number from every element only once, then we can return true. If not, we will return false. So the nums are given like 4, 9, 6, 10. From 4 we are removing 3. 4 minus 3 will become 1, and then the array becomes like 1, 9, 6, 10. Now this element after this one we are going to this index 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So the array becomes like 1, 2, 6, 10. So now the array is sorted. We don't need to convert the 6 and 10. And the second example is 6, 8, 11, 12. So initially 6, 8, 11, 12 are already sorted, so there is no need to sort or do any operation again. So the intuition goes like we generate all the prime numbers from 1 to 1000 as they given the constraints like nums length will be up to 1000 and the nums of I will be ranging from 1 to 1000. So we generate a prime number, we generate all the prime numbers up to 1000. Generate all prime numbers from 1 to 1000, and then after generating the prime numbers we iterate the array from I is equal to 0 to n. Let in this iteration for every index let prime is equal to 0, and then we iterate the primes array as we generate 1 to 1000 prime numbers and push back those in primes array. We iterate the primes array, and then if nums of I minus primes of j is equal to 0 to primes dot size primes of j, if nums of I minus primes of j is greater than nums of I minus 1, this is the previous element, so the current element minus the prime number, if it is greater than the previous element, we make prime is equal to primes of j, and then we remove nums of I minus is equal to prime. So after this, if I is greater than 0 and the current element is less than the previous element, we return false. That means, so after removing the prime number from the current element, even though we get it is less than the previous element, we return false, and after iterating this loop we return true.